How to send emails with SendGrid. Hi guys, welcome back to How to Solution. In this video, I will show you how you guys can send emails with SendGrid. Firstly, come on to sendgrid.com. Now from over here, simply click on start for free. And then after that, that's gonna take you guys over to their sign up page. So as soon as you guys go to their sign up page, from over there, simply sign up and I'll catch you guys in 1 second. So as soon as you guys have signed up, this is the dashboard that you guys are gonna be seeing. So now from over here, you guys can simply send your first email by clicking on create a single sender. And then after that, you'll have to put in the details of any person that you want to email. So let's just give it a few moments, and now it's gonna ask you for all the details. So I'm gonna fill in all the details, and as soon as you guys have filled in all the details, after that simply type in a name for this particular person, and then after that simply click on create. So over here they are saying that it is not recommended to send it to a normal email address. So if you guys have a business email address, simply put that in, and then after that you guys can just simply click on create and your sender is gonna be created. So I'll do that right now and I'll catch you guys in 1 second. So once you guys have signed up, this is the dashboard that you guys are going to be seeing. So now from over here, you guys can see that you have the option to send your first email. But right now, I cannot send my first email because I have not added any sender. So you also have to add in sender as well. So click on create a single sender, and that's going to take you guys over to another page. So when you guys come on to this another page, this is the dashboard that you guys are going to be seeing in about 2 to 3 seconds. So now from over here, you have to put in the details of your sender. You have to put in their full name. You have to put in their address. You have to put in also the reply that you will get on whichever email you prefer. You also have to put in your company address and also another address as well, so that you guys could just simply add them. So I'm gonna add in an email address right now and I'll catch you guys in 1 second. So as soon as you guys have put in all the details, simply click on create and your sender is gonna be created. Now from over here, simply log into the email that you want to send the email to, while the sender can just simply verify by simply logging into this email, and after that you guys can just simply start sending emails on this particular account using SendGrid. So that is how you guys can get started with adding the sender. Now come back to the dashboard, and then you guys will just simply be able to click on send your first email, and after that you guys can send your first email or send as many emails as you want. So guys, this was the video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Till next time. Goodbye.